Stay tuned to see how I did this confetti gel manicure. So I already started and prepped my nails, cut down my cuticles, and I'm just going to apply this Modelone base coat to my nails. You don't have to put on a thick coat or anything. It can be thin. You just want to coat your entire nail, and then you're going to use your UV light. I did it for about 90 seconds just to cure. Next, I'm using Silver Dust and the Jewel of Janelle, and these are going to be my two colors that I'm going to be painting as base coats on my nail. I alternated the colors, going with the Silver Dust and then the Jewel of Janelle on every other finger. Again, you don't have to do big thick coats. You actually want to layer your nail polish because it will make for smoother application and a better result overall at the end. So take your time. There's no rush. Once you add your first coat, you'll cure your nails again using the UV light and repeat this process a couple of times. Now comes the fun part, decorating your nails. I went ahead and when I get ready to add jewels to my nails, I'll add a really thin coat of whatever color of nail polish that I'm using. And I'm going to use my little dabber tool, and this is what will help me pick up the jewels. So I just use it. Normally it's so much easier than this. This one made me struggle a little bit, but I just use the flat ends to add the jewels directly to my nails on top of the already wet paint that I just applied. This will help with adhering the jewels to your nails. You can go as big and blingy as you want. I just wanted to do a simple design using these different shades of purple and clear jewels. Like I said, go big or go home. It's completely up to you. And while my nail is still wet, I go ahead and add the confetti to my nail. If you need to add a little bit more paint, you can. This is why you want to work in very thin layers, because you don't want it to cake up too thick and chunky looking. But I added this just to my liking and patted down any excess off of the edge of the nail. And then I cured it again just to make sure none of my decorations fell off. Then I went ahead, once I finished all of my nails, I added my top coat, again of the Modelones, adding a thin coat on top of each nail. You can always build up, so that's why it's better to go light at first and do multiple coats than to go really, really heavy and cure it once. So use thin coats and make sure you get the edge of your nails to really seal in your designs and your paint. Once you do that, adding your top coat, you'll cure it again. Lastly, you'll add some cuticle oil to your cuticles and rub it in really well. And here is your final finished manicure, the Confetti Gel Manicure. I think that they're really playful and really cute, and I love how bright and colorful the confetti is. I have a whole bunch of different jewels that I'm excited to try, but I love this Confetti Gel Manicure. Thanks for watching this video this week. I look forward to continually trying new things on my nails. I love having my nails done. It just makes me feel like a whole new person. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what type of design you want me to try out next. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.